We are pleased to show you the 2026 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.